A boiler is an essential piece of machinery used to heat and supply water to various types of systems in a building. It works by using heat from a fuel source, such as gas, oil, or coal, to vaporize and heat the water it contains. Once the water is vaporized, it is released into the atmosphere through the outlet tube or pipe. Boiler operation involves several key steps, including 1. Starting the boiler. To start the boiler, you need to turn on the fuel source and adjust the burner settings to ensure a proper flame. 2. Vaporizing the water. Once the fuel is ignited, the heat from the flame causes the water in the boiler to vaporize and rise to the top of the tube. 3. Condensing. The vaporized water then falls back to the bottom of the tube, where it recondenses into a liquid state. 4. Releasing the vapor. The condensed water then flows through the tube and out of the boiler through the outlet tube or pipe. 5. Checking the pressure. The boiler operates at a specific pressure level, which needs to be monitored regularly to ensure that everything is running smoothly. 6. Cooling down. After the boiler is finished operating, it needs to be cooled down to prevent damage to the internal components. Understanding boiler operation is crucial for ensuring the safety and efficiency of your heating and cooling systems. By following these steps, you can optimize the performance of your boiler and prevent any potential issues that may arise.